If your Lorex app remote viewing isn't working and you can't see your cameras on your phone, don't worry. This quick guide will fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your DVR is properly connected to the router with a LAN cable. Next, restart your router. This refreshes the network and fixes most connection issues instantly. Now, go to DVR network settings and enable DHCP to refresh the IP address automatically. Log out from your Lorex app, then log back in. This resets the connection between your phone and DVR. Also, make sure your DVR firmware is up to date. Old firmware can block remote access. If it's still not working, it could be a port forwarding issue or router block. Fix that, and your cameras will be back online. If this video helped you fix your Lorex app, hit the like button and subscribe for more real CCTV solutions. I upload quick fixes that actually work.